everyone, this is Jenny and welcome back to my channel. So guys, for today's video, I'll be unboxing Yesstyle's INSSAKIT box. So for the month of May, they've actually launched this INSSAKIT box. So it's available on their website. But guys, this is to celebrate the Korean culture, and they've curated this box and included 10 items, well 10 Korean items, 5 K-beauty and 5 non-K-beauty stuff. So I'm really excited to open this box. And guys, I'm excited to announce that I've collaborated with Yesstyle to give one lucky subscriber or follower the exact same box. So they'll be delivering the exact same box to that specific winner. And guys, I'm really excited to do this giveaway. Unfortunately, not all countries can participate this giveaway just because of the COVID-19 stuff. A lot of countries have closed their borders even for packages to arrive. So there's only a few countries who can actually join this giveaway. I'm so sorry, guys. If you guys want to check out the full list of countries, I'll put a link down below. But as far as I remember, there's US, UK, France, Australia, New Zealand, Malaysia, Philippines, Taiwan, Singapore, South Korea. I think those are some of the few countries that I can remember who can actually join this giveaway. So for those of you guys who can join, please join this giveaway, because guys, this box is really cool. So if you are excited for me to open this box and share with you what you will be getting, just keep on watching. So the first item that is inside this box is this Soleil Snail True Sika Miracle Repair Starter Kit. So if you guys haven't known Soleil, they're very popular with their Miracle Toner. I've tried that. It didn't work for my skin, so I haven't really tried a lot of Soleil product, but I've heard really good stuff about this Snail True Sika, just because it's a combination of snail, filtrate, as well as Sika, and you guys know that those two combination is really good with skin repair and sensitive skin. So guys, I'm really excited to try this starter kit, just because it has all the products that you need for you to start with your skincare. So it has the cleanser, it has the toner, it has the serum, and it has the cream. So basically all that you need for your skincare routine is in this starter kit. So I think this is a good package, or a starter kit, just because you get to try all the products all in one. And yeah, you can find out whether it will work for your skin before actually purchasing the actual deluxe size. So this is a really good really good skincare, and the fact that it's it has snail and it has Sika, it's really good. I've heard so many good stuff about this in the skincare community. A lot of people have said that it's really good for sensitive skin. So you guys will get this starter kit in this INSSAKIT box. This one is Gulba mask. I heard that this is a really popular mask, and it includes banana and honey. So it's very good in giving that hydration to your skin. So guys, this is the mask that you'll be getting, and this contains 5, or is it 5? Yes, 5 sheet masks in one box. And the next one that I can grab here is a makeup item. So this is, I've opened this because I was really excited to test this out, and this is what I have on my cheek right now. So this is VY, I don't know how to pronounce this, but I think this is pronounced as VVD or Vivid, don't know, but it's a cheek flash highlighter. So this one is in the shade number 3 Gold Play. And guys, the packaging is really nice. It's very premium, like not the cheap type of plastic. It's kind of a heavy plastic. And once you open it, you guys can see that nice highlighter. So it's a really pigmented highlighting powder. So it's not those very light highlighting powder. It's really very pigmented. Don't know if you guys can see it, but look at that shine. And this is what I have on my cheek right here. So I have a little bit here in my finger. If I just sweep it there, you guys can tell that shine. It's really nice. And the fact that it's in gold shade, it's really perfect. It's not those very white. There's a lot of highlighter that's just very pure white, and I don't really like it. But with this one, since it has that gold pigment, it's really good in that high point areas on your skin. The next K-beauty item is from BT Cosmetics and their collaboration with BTS, and this is their Stay It Twin Eyeshadow. So I've reviewed their Stay It lip product before. If you guys haven't watched that, I'll put a link somewhere up here. And this cream eyeshadow is something that I haven't tried yet. So this is good because it's a twin eyeshadow and it has 2 shades in one. So it's really perfect for traveling. So if you guys can see that, it's a cream eyeshadow and this one is in shade number 3. So it has a neutral or kind of like a beigey shade, and one here is kind of like a peachy brown shade. So I've tried this on my my lid. So it's a creamy eyeshadow. It's very pigmented. All you need to do is just use your finger if you don't have a brush, and I think it works best with your warm fingers rather than a brush. So I really think this is nice for traveling. Look at that, it's very shimmery. So all you need to do is have this and you're good to go. You don't really need a lot of shade, and I think this is a really good eyeshadow, and it's from BT Cosmetics, and usually it's quite good, most especially this Stay It line. It's very nice. And one of the last K-beauty item here is a lippy, which I'm really happy about because I've been wanting to try this this lipstick brand from Peach C. So I've been loving their blush a lot. So I bought one when I was in Korea and I really love that blush, and I saw that they have this lipstick and I was really excited to try this. So what's good about this, it has that magnetic lock. So it just locks by itself. It's really pretty, and the shade, guys, it's so pretty. So it's a matte lipstick, and I have it with me here on my lips right now. It's not too corally, it's not too bright, but it's just the right amount of orange, I would say, or coral. I really like it though. And it's matte and it's not very drying. My lips are just dry, but I don't feel that it's very drying on the lips, so that's really good. And with this lipstick, it kind of smudges and it doesn't really last that long just because it's, you know, a lipstick. It's not really a lip tint. So it's good like that, and it kind of blurs out really nicely. So if you want to kind of, you know, do a blurring, you can do it with your fingers. It's really nice. I like it. And the next one that I'll be sharing with you are the non-K beauty items, which are really cute, honestly. So the first one, which I'm sure that a lot of you guys will be happy, is this lens collaboration with BTS. So it's not really a contact lens, but it's a contact lens case. And guys, inside this contact lens case is a photo card of BTS. And what I have here is V, which I am really happy about. According to them, it's random, so it's not really always V in the box. So I'm really happy that I got this, but guys, you will be getting this. So it's a contact lens case. If you don't wear contact lens, you can actually, what you can do is you can take out this contact lens case and this foam, and you can actually put photo cards in here. So if you have collection of photo cards, for those of you guys who are collecting photo cards for, you know, K-pop groups and all that, can actually use this as a case. Or even if, you know, like maybe medicine kit or medicine case, you can actually use this. It's just very useful because it's a metal. So I really like it. And I do wear contact lens, so this is really useful for me. So the next one is this nice Cacao Friends, what do you call this again? Like sleeping mask, eye mask, something like that. So I don't really have one, and to be honest, I've been wanting to have one. I haven't really bought one because I feel like it's so unnecessary, but sometimes when I'm on a flight, I just really needed one just because of the sunlight. So now that I have this, and it's so cute, look at that. It's Miss Peach. What's the name of this character again? I think I wrote it in my notebook. A Peach. That's the name of the character. So cute. So it has that nice velvety foam, so it's not just those thin, free from airlines. So it's really nice and premium looking kind of sleeping eye mask. So the next one here is an easy hair comb. They call it the hairbrush, but I don't really believe that this is a hairbrush. I think this is a comb. But this is actually good for hair straightening. So if you don't have a hair straightener, you can just do this with your wet hair and blow dry your hair. Sometimes it's kind of difficult to actually, you know, manage your hair when you're drying it. So this is really, really cool. You get this together in this INSSAKIT box. So you just do this and you put your blow dry here and kind of evenly distribute the heat from the hair blower, and you'll get that perfect curl at the bottom without even using a flat iron or a hair curling iron. So it's really, really nice. You know how they always do this innovative stuff in Korea and in Japan? So you get this and it's really cool. And the next one is a Korean food. And guys, this is a dried pollock. You know what? The first time I heard about the pollock snack, when I watched Crash Landing Into You. So I'm really, really excited to try what this tastes like, because honestly, I probably have tasted one, but I just don't know that it was called pollock. So this is one of those snacks, and you'll be getting that in this INSSAKIT as well. The last one is this Esther Loves You bag. So this tote bag, it's really cute. It's so pink. I'm not really a pink person, but it's a really handy bag because it has that pocket here, so you can actually enjoy this this bag as well. So it's really nice, and it has that waterproof lining inside, so in case you spill something inside, it won't actually you know, spill on the actual canvas of the bag. So guys, those are all the items that you'll be getting from this INSSAKIT box. So guys, I really encourage you to join, and for you guys to join, here are the mechanics. So first up, you have to follow me or subscribe to my channel. Second is you have to follow Yesstyle and myself on our Instagram page. I'll put the link down below and our IG handle so that you guys could check us out and follow us. And third is I want you guys to comment down below and include your IG handle. So I want you to let me know what are the stuff in this INSSAKIT that you're most interested about. So I would really love to know what those items are. And don't forget to include your IG handle just so that we guys could find you. And also lastly guys, as I mentioned at the start of this video, only a few countries could actually participate in this giveaway just because of the COVID-19 stuff and all that. So I'll put a link down below and a list of those countries in the description box for you guys to check out. And guys, I'll be announcing the winner of this giveaway on June 1st on my Instagram page. I'll be posting an IG story to announce the winner, and Yesstyle will be getting in touch with you right after that. So I'm really, really excited to do this giveaway and collaborate with Yesstyle, and I hope that you guys would join me in this giveaway. And also guys, after this video, it will take a while for me to upload a new one just because I'll be in labor soon. I'm now on my 37 weeks, which means that 3 more weeks to go and it's already my due date, but it can actually come anytime soon. So I'm really, really excited and nervous at the same time, but I know that it will all be worth it. I'm actually really hoping that I could film my birth or labor vlog. I'm just not sure whether I'll be able to remember to do it because of all the pain and all the craziness that is going to happen on that day, and whether I'm allowed to do that. But hopefully I can, and I will share with you guys my journey and my story, hopefully. And guys, I hope that you guys will wait for me when I come back. I'm really going to miss you, and I'm really going to miss doing content for you guys. But hopefully when I'm back, I'm actually more energized, hopefully, and I'll have more content for you guys. So I'm really gonna miss you, but I hope that you guys will stay tuned and wait for me till I come back. So thank you guys again for watching this video, and guys, I will definitely speak to you when I'm back. Bye.